Touchscreen action cameras have revolutionized the way we capture our adventures. With a simple touch, users can change settings, preview footage, and even edit videos on the go. There are many products available to choose from for action cameras, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After an extensive investigation, I discovered that these products benefit people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check out my description. Let's watch the video without further ado. Number 1, Akaso V50X Native 4K 30fps Wi-Fi Action Camera. The Akaso V50X Action Camera boasts an intuitive touchscreen, electronic image stabilization, a long battery life, and an adjustable view angle, and captures 4K/30fps, 2.7K/30fps, and 2K/60fps Super HD films. The touchscreen has simplified capture options and simple swiping and tapping navigation. The EIS guarantees that video is recorded smoothly and steadily. The camera comes with 2 rechargeable batteries that may record up to 180 minutes of video. The view angle may be set to 170 degrees, 140 degrees, 110 degrees, or 70 degrees. The best features are: Ultra HD video recording, intuitive touchscreen with simple capture modes, electronic image stabilization for smooth and steady video recording, long battery life with 2 rechargeable batteries, adjustable view angle with distortion correction. Number 2, Akaso EK7000 Pro 4K Action Camera. The Akaso EK7000 Pro 4K Action Camera is a step up from the EK7000 series, featuring 4K/30fps video, 1080p/60fps video, and 20MP pictures. The ultra-large 2-inch IPS touchscreen enables simple configuration adjustments, switching between shooting modes, and video preview and playback. The included electronic image stabilization guarantees stable and smooth movies, making it suited for fast-moving objects. The camera is also waterproof up to 131 feet and has an adjustable view angle, making it ideal for water sports and outdoor activities. The best features are: 4K/30fps, 1080p/60fps videos and 20MP photos. Ultra 2-inch IPS touchscreen with intuitive UI design. Built-in electronic image stabilization for steady and smooth videos. Waterproof up to 131 feet with adjustable view angle. Number 3, Akaso V50 Elite 4K 60fps Action Camera. With its 4K/60fps, 4K/30fps, 2.7K/60fps, 2.7K/30fps, 1080p/120fps, 720p/240fps video, and 20MP picture recording, the Akaso V50 Elite 4K/60fps action camera produces high-quality Full HD footage. Voice commands may be used to control the camera hands-free, and the built-in Advanced Electronic Image Stabilization, EIS, assures smooth footage. The camera's view angle can be adjusted between wide, medium, and narrow, and it's waterproof up to 131 feet, making it great for documenting all of your experiences, especially water sports like swimming, diving, and surfing. The best features are: includes a range of features that provide high-quality recording and image stabilization. Hands-free control using voice commands. Adjustable view angle and distortion calibration feature. Number 4, GoPro Hero 8 Black Waterproof Action Camera. The GoPro Hero 8 Black Waterproof Action Camera has HyperSmooth 2.0 stabilization, which provides the smoothest footage ever seen in a Hero camera, as well as a horizon leveling tool and 3 levels of stabilization. The camera includes a new streamlined design that is more pocketable than prior generations, as well as a lens that is twice as impact resistant as previous models. The camera includes extendable modifications that enable more creativity and may be used to attach a light mod and a display mod. The camera supports social media live streaming and offers Time Warp 2.0 time-lapse video capture capability. The best features are: Hypersmooth 2.0 stabilization for the smoothest video ever offered. New streamlined design with a more pocketable shape. Expandable mods for more creativity with shotgun mic performance. Number 5, DJI Action 2 Dual Screen Combo. The DJI Action 2 is a small 4K action camera that has two OLED touch screens, magnetic attachments, and stabilization technologies. You can effortlessly switch out accessories with its clever magnetic design to record your trips in imaginative ways. The ultra-wide field of view allows you to capture beautifully smooth 4K/120 FPS video with greater details, and the DJI Mimo app utilizes its AI editor to produce shareable videos with flawless transitions and cheerful music. The DJI Action 2 is waterproof to a depth of 10 meters and comes with a magnetic protective cover to protect it from impacts, scratches, and abrasions. The best features are: compact and easy to use. Captures smooth 4K/120 FPS video with rich details and an ultra-wide FOV. Comes with a magnetic protective case to prevent damage from impact, scratches, and abrasions. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.